Yeah,
You know,
and
that's
that's for them is that sets up the experience of, well, look, if it was that seamless to drop my car in, I really don't have to concern myself about what they're going to do and the quality at which they're going to do it, because they've already proven to me how um, technically advanced they are in relation to the technology they're using. So it just builds a little bit of a comfort buffer for the customer.
oh, exactly. And it's like any email you get from these corporates. On the bottom of the email, it's always got, you know, don't print this out unless you have to, save the world, sort of thing. And you know, it's
Yes.
and it's true. You know, like the paper that you go through in a panel shops, it's terrible. So, and this is just the start of the journey for us on the Eforms. So it's, you know, we've already had the meeting with the staff to say that, look, we're going to QC Eforms as well, implementing more more boards around the place. So all my panel beaters have laptops, the whole lot. Painters have got 4 stations out there. So there's no excuse to be not to be near a laptop or a planning board. So that's the key. That's the key. You got to stop those people coming to the office all the time. And if we can just click on our dashboard and say, right, it's gone through to the prime stage, QC forms filled out, excellent.
Yeah. And it's the old adage, isn't it? Slow down to go faster. But
yeah.
and if you can, once you understand that the way that works, things certainly flow a lot better. So from the loan car agreement, we can step you into the quality control. We can then step you down the lines of the customer survey and getting that out. So if you can get a customer survey out to a customer, and if they've got a little bit of negative feedback, but if you can get that within a day of them getting the car, you've got an opportunity to jump on it really quickly and just review their concern and manage that more effectively.